Welcome to Sparkloop Paid Newsletter Recommendations, the new way the world's best newsletters are unlocking millions of extra dollars every month. It's the easiest way to monetize your newsletter, and your audience will love it too. Let's jump in. Meet Mary. She just subscribed to your newsletter. Nice! Mary loves your content, alongside loads of other things in her life. She'd love to read awesome newsletters about her other interests too. But finding those other great newsletters is hard. Unlike YouTube for videos and Spotify for podcasts and music, there's no easy way for newsletter readers like Mary to discover amazing newsletters they want to read. Until now, with Sparkloop, you can help your subscribers like Mary discover the world's best newsletters and make thousands of dollars for doing so. Here's how. Show personalized recommendations, perfect for each individual subscriber like Mary, right after someone opts into your newsletter. Or choose newsletters to recommend right inside your email sends. Your subscribers will love it. And for every subscriber who becomes a genuine reader of the recommended newsletter, you'll earn anywhere from $2 to $10. For growing newsletters, that's thousands of dollars in extra revenue in your pocket. Or reinvest into growth and scale your newsletter via social ads at a fraction of the cost. It's a game changer and perfect for your newsletter. As long as you write great, consistent newsletter content, Sparkloop paid recommendations are a great fit for you, with payouts up to 5 times higher than the alternatives, and hundreds of amazing newsletters you can't recommend anywhere else. It's no wonder we're the most popular paid recommendations network for publishers on over 25 newsletter platforms, including Beehive and ConvertKit. Get started in minutes. Just create a free Sparkloop account and apply. Connect your newsletter platform with 2 clicks. Paste our widget onto your newsletter website, and join thousands of the world's best newsletter operators, earning millions with zero work.